Good day, my friends. Let's learn something new today. Alright guys, let's make an update over here. As you can see, the first trade we entered over here. The first trade was entered over here. If you look at the level, 156.45, 156.45 is over there, and we had placed a take profit of 100 pips above it. It came down, somewhere over here, it came down, and it entered us into the second trade. Then I worked out I added them together, got the average price, added in my new take profit, which was somewhere around over here. I can't remember exactly, but anyhow, it was bouncing around, and it came down and it entered us into the third trade. So then I added all three together, I divided it by 3, and I got a new take profit. But like I said many times already, when I've got 3 trades open, like you can see over here, is 1, 2, 3 trades open, and we're in the profit. The minute I see that, guys, the next thing I do is just to go and say close, 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 righto, and there it is. So in other words, now all those trades have been closed out in a profit. Right, so my run worked out quite good there for me. Anyhow, let's just go and remove this order that's lying over here as well, that's doing nothing now. And so now we start a new run all over again. So this will be run number 3 now. Right, so like always, let's go and where is it? Sorry, just open up on my other screen. Right, here I've got it now. Okay, so we are just going to, like always, we are just going to keep the lots the same, and we are just going to buy at market price. That's it. Okay, so we have bought at 155.58. Let's go put a take profit in. Righto, so the take profit is going to be 156.60, 100 pips above that. Where's our entry price? Right, no, our entry price is 155.58, so it's 156.58. So let's go say 156.58, right? And let's go and put it in. Right, there it is. Now, what I have to do is to go and put in, that's at least two forward orders lying here waiting for it in case it starts reversing back down against us again, right? So let's go and put in 2 orders. There's not a instant order, we want a pending order, and it must be a buy limit because it must come down and trigger us in. So it's a buy limit, and it's going to be 100 pips below that one there. So it's 154.58. So the price of it is going to be 154.58, and let's place it. Righto, there it is. And now let's place one more just for in case. Righto, and one more, and that'll go down to 153.58. Righto, and that's going to be a pending order at 153.58. 153 point. Oops, that's not point. 153.58. And place it. Righto, guys, and there it is. So now my orders are placed. So all I do now again is to start watching it. So if it does come down to this point over here, yeah. But once again, guys, I know you don't always see people making losses. People are always just bragging over the profits they are making. This system here, guys, I've been using it for approximately almost a year now. In the beginning, I was doing it on the British pound, but my lot sizes and my take profits I didn't work it out correctly, and it went into a loss. This account came down from $1,000 to about $400. Then I decided to use the yen because the yen is more volatile than what the British pound is, and also to run 100 pips in a day on the yen is quite easy. On the pound it's not that easy. So that's why I switched to the dollar yen, and ever since then the account has come back up to almost $1,000 again in the last couple of months, 6 months or whatever the case might be. It gives an average of about 5% per month the way I'm trading it. Of course, if you want to run a higher risk, You can double the account every month sometimes, but also you're going to be wiping your account out. So if you want to work at a high risk, I'll advise you to have at least, let's say you start off with $1,000, you must have at least $5,000. Put in $1,000, you trade, if you lose it, put in another $1,000. And that way you could maybe turn out to be a winner. Personally, I hate losing and I hate wiping my accounts out. I've had enough of that. And so that is why now I take it very cautious, and I rather make a less profit, but I want to make a consistent profit. To me, to be consistent is much better than having a roller coaster ride. Okay, anyhow guys, this is now run number 3, and I think I'll do it for 5 runs so you can see how it works. And maybe if you want to try it, guys, you can try it, but please be very careful. Don't waste your money.